Okay. Hey, everybody. Oh, that's kind of interesting. I'm just looking at the computer in the background. Okay, so we are finally getting back to this. Yesterday, I ended up on a mission with laundry. Today, I feel like I've not done anything. I've done things. I'm honestly frustrated today. I think part of it is because I gotta go back to work tomorrow. But a portion of it also is that just basically, like yesterday, I felt actually I was accomplishing things. Today, I feel like I haven't gotten anything done. So that's where the difference for me is feeling today. Because sometimes seeing things finished somehow correlates that I've gotten stuff done. Like honestly, today what I've done so far. Oh, by the way, this is going to be a Lego video. I just needed to emotionally. I should be emotionally venting a while. Okay, I'll hold that. So again, we are now working. We're still on bag 4. Or bag 3. Hold on. Bag 3. Nope, bag 4. Bag 4. Bag 4. But we're at step 93 on page 42 because we still have 10 of the figures left to do. This is again a Lego set 40174, the classic Lego classic chess set, which also does checkers too. So okay, let's get into this while I just emotionally vomit again. So I kind of changed the positioning of the camera. So yeah, but so today I just haven't felt like I had anything done, which is funny because I have, but it's been more finances and rearranging and moving money around and stuff like that. So I'm going out on medical leave from work in approximately 7 weeks, I think. But I'm also going to England in about 3 weeks. So I'm just trying to make sure I have all my ducks in a row and everything is all like basically just like I'm not gonna be freaking out while I'm on leave because I'm not gonna get an income coming in. I need the surgery to fix my shoulder. I can't go any longer with the way it is. So it's kind of one of these things. My health is definitely more important than work. I put work too many times in front of my health, and all it did was get me sicker. So at this point in my life, if you want to judge me for trying to take care of myself, go right ahead. But at the same time, I've learned my priorities in life. That my health is definitely a priority. Self-care is definitely an important thing. So yeah. So with that surgery and everything like that, it is going to come with a cost. That I'm not going to have income coming in unless magically I sell things on Mercari, or eBay or Facebook Marketplace, things that I don't have, like I don't need anymore. Which actually, so just to give you guys a heads up, I'm not sure if you guys were aware, Mercari actually just waived all of sellers' fees. So basically, that is a little bit more money into the seller's pocket now. I overall do like Mercari. Mercari's always been good when it comes to customer issues. So that I do like. eBay, that's always been a little challenging at times. So okay. My shoulder. I need another one of those. Okay. So, I think we got all the pieces. So, yeah. So today was not a day I was feeling very productive in any way, shape, or form. Sadly. I mean, I got my health insurance for April paid. So like my health insurance, I had already paid for this month, and then next month is now taken care of. So basically, like, it will send me the bill in a couple days, being like, by April 23rd, you need to make sure your the April payment is done. And I'm already paid off of that, so that's good. I also basically paid, what else did I know? I paid a couple things, like my credit cards and stuff like that. So yeah, like it was just more like a lot of like just handling the finances is what I did today, and nothing really else. If you notice, I'm still in my pajamas. I never actually even had breakfast this morning. Go me. I was going to go make eggs. Didn't happen. So I haven't even meal prepped for the week. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Do you guys usually meal prep, or like kind of go by the like just wing it each day? Okay. Whoopsie. I made a boo-boo. Okay. I was wondering why it was like so high. So the red piece was supposed to go above. This is what I get for not paying attention. Rick calls me a stress head. I am a stress head. I'm a stress. My whole body just runs on stress. Like, I'm probably gonna freaking be the one to have a heart attack between the two of us, just from the stress level of things. Like, because of it, also, my whole, like, I literally wear my tension and everything on, like, my back and my shoulders. Oh, the sensor, you've been doing this a few times. My sensor has, like, in the last 2 days, has needed to update multiple times. Oh, there we go. So actually, someone had brought this up in a group I'm a part of. So to make this, so they all have these, they could literally just have one 2x2 high, like this, with the holes on the side, one piece, since they do use those a lot. So, like, why don't they just, but oh, it's because they want to keep the piece count up. I really do believe that. I really do, because 4 versus 1, and especially since you have, okay, so 4, and we're going to be doing this again in another place. So that is, okay, 1, 2, at least 2 in this one. And then, like, each of these all have at least 4. So 1, 2, okay, so basically 16, 32 with at least 34. 34 times 4, that's about 100 and, I don't know, 130 pieces, give or take. I'm just doing math really off the top of my head. So if I'm wrong, don't kill me. Okay, it's like, where did it? Okay, just making sure I have those right. Like, I get needing these for certain other parts, like, basically because they have the bricks and everything like that, but, come on. Come on. I feel like you guys are not lining up the way you should be. There we go. My OCD is kicking in. Oh, I could have done this one live today, but I didn't. I will do it one day. One day, I swear. Oh, actually, so you saw for a second my laptop, in the background over there. I actually finally pulled up my YouTube studio on, on the computer, at least, so that way I can, okay. I just jumped the gun on that. So maybe I can motivate myself later on tonight to actually do some, like, adjusting to the like, putting at the end of the videos and things like that. The next ones, things, and whatnot. So, because using the word editing is definitely not right, because I don't edit my videos, because it takes away from me being real. The bump is going to annoy me. My patience is definitely, like, lacking today. Well, at least it fixed itself. Okay, does anybody else's hands get dry from playing or setting up Lego? Because I'm just noticing more and more that my hands are getting drier and drier. That I've been using a lot of lotion lately. And I'm like, is it just me or what? It could be just me. I feel like I'm lacking hydration. Maybe I actually was drinking fluid more regularly. Which, oh, I have a coffee over there. That's not really hydrating. Okay, there we go. And now we have 8 of them. Okay, and now we're going to do the pawns. Okay, so actually, I'm going to put these in there. Ooh. I also realized I had these guys on the wrong side. There we go. Okay, guys. Get back over. Let me go get my drink real quick. There we go. Okay. 8. Okay, got our 8 things. So this is step 99 on page 44. And step 100, because I'm kind of like jumping ahead. Oop. Jumping so far ahead, I'm forgetting pieces. Oop. Slow down, Felicia. Got this. Now. Oh, God, this was like an easy breezy. Okay, now put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to put them up to make this in a second. So we just finished page 45. And next will be bag 5, which will be on page 46, which it starts with step 104. But at the same time, that will be either later tonight or tomorrow. I at least wanted to get this finally done. So now I'm just putting them up here. There we go. We have the black side ready. And so that is it for now, everybody. When I come back, we will do bag 5. So bag 5 will be consisting of 1, 2, 2, and 3 bags. So basically almost the same exact thing we just did, just different colors. So thank you guys all for being with me, hanging out, and I hope you guys have a great Easter. Today's Easter. So did you guys get anybody in your family Lego for Easter, or did they get you Lego for Easter? No one got me Lego for Easter. But hey guys, thank you, and you guys have a good day. Bye.